What's going on, DLC gang? Today we're gonna be working on the OBS. We're gonna be installing these drop shackles. They're like the 2-inch drop shackles. We already installed the flip kit, but we're gonna give another 2-inch drop with these. So the flip kit is already installed, and we have these that we're gonna be installing those. You can install these with the bed on. Luckily for me, we're gonna send this truck to paint and I already have it off. But it's still possible with the bed on. You may have to take off the tire or something. We just need to remove those and then in with the new ones. I'm using that little impact, D-well impact, and I'm gonna back it up like with a wrench or something. I'm gonna go ahead and lift up the truck and put some jack stands right there to hold the truck up. And then with the jack, I'll be able to bring up and down the axle if I need to. All right, I put on the jack stands already. 1, 2 over there. And I got the jack ready just in case I need to bring it up or down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one real quick. Now I'm gonna take off the top bolt, this one here, because you couldn't take it out before because it was too low and the bolt won't come out. You need to take off that one first. Some WD-40 might help. Some of this might help. So just a little comparison in size. This is the one I just took off, and this is the new one we're gonna put on. See? And then that's what's gonna give it a 2-inch drop. Now it did come with these little grease nipples. I've already put this one on, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it now. Yeah, again, I did the same thing on this side as well. So you have to jack it up a little bit so that bolt will come out this way so it won't hit the frame. It was easy. installed both of them already. Now we're gonna drop it to see how it looks. All right, gang, there she is. It was an easy install, man. Look at that. All right, now the front. So I actually bought the truck like this. I think it already came with those drop coils in the front. Probably like a 4 or 5 inch. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, gang. I mean, if I could do it, I mean, pretty sure anybody could do it. This is my first time ever doing it, and it was pretty easy. They were from Amazon. They were like $40. All right, gang. Well, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.